Hi everyone, so today's video I will be unboxing my order of the Rose and Thistle Wax Patisserie. Recently they have released their autumn 2020 range and I've got some here and I will be unboxing them for today's video. But yeah, this is my box of goodies, and because I ordered this as a drop box for some weird reason, I have a happy post sticker. Hopefully I can show this without showing my address. So that's the happy post sticker. With normal orders you don't really get that happy post sticker for some reason, don't know. But yeah, let's begin in showing. Oh, I didn't bring the price list. I will write it in the description. I'll start with the two samples that I got in the box. I don't know why I got two samples. I'm very thankful for these. So the first one is Lavender. Reminded me of my best friend Sagan, this one did, because she loves lavender. And yeah, it's just a purple square, as you can see, and it does smell very nice. Very nice, it's really strong and potent. The next sample is this one, and this one is called Pink Sugar. It's just like the other one, but pink. And I'm not too sure what the scent is. Strawberry? I don't know, normally it says on there, but it doesn't. The next few things will be the actual products itself that are in the autumn range that they have released. The first one is a Crumble. So you get it in this little plastic tub with the name on there, which is Snug as a Bug. Snug as a Bug is magnolia, blossom, vanilla and sandalwood, and it's pretty much wax crumbled up, and it smells absolutely amazing, it really does. And on the top you get a bow. When I ordered this one I thought it was a lot smaller than it is. It's almost as big as my head. This one is 11 ounces. This one is in Autumn Showers. It smells absolutely, oh bloody heck, that nearly fell out the pot. It's going to be funny editing that bit now. But yeah, that is absolutely amazing. But yeah, as I was saying, I like the sequins and everything because there's some hard ones and that. But there's that one. The next one is this one, and it's a spooky brain, and it's called Oh So Spooky. And the writing is kind of small on here, so I will try my best to read it. Mystical and intriguing, this fabulous combination of heavy incense and patchouli with cedar, all wonderfully blended with hints of clary, sage and rose, I think. This will be in the description anyway. And this smells absolutely amazing. That's the brain. The next one is this one, and this one is a clamshell for £4.80. And that one, if I open it up, so that one there is frosted pumpkin, and that one there is marshmallow pumpkin latte. Have to be careful with these because these will definitely fall out. The next one is this one, and this one is the jumping pumpkin one. With this one, it does vary on the shape. Even though I've got a skull, you might get a pumpkin or some other shape. So this one looks like that, and with this one again I love the heart sequins, and this one is pumpkin, vanilla, ginger and cinnamon. I cannot wait for autumn, I really can't. So the next one is this one. This is not a bramble, because that's snap bar. I forgot the name of this one, but this one is in Autumn Stroll. There's not much to it on the back, so I apologise about that. But this one looks like that. It's got there we go. And when the Rose and Thistle Wax Patisserie releases these sort of things, I hope to get some with the actual item on. So in this case, leaf, and I did. I'm really happy about that one. The next one is gooey chocolate pumpkin. It smells absolutely amazing. It's part of the snack bar, not snack bar, but yeah. But when you first hear about the scent, you wouldn't think that it was a nice scent, but it's absolutely amazing. So I've got part of the snack bar there, and I have some of the pumpkin as well. And the next one is these two. These two are called Bubba Mint, and these, I'm guessing it's bubblegum and mint. Can't really remember, but they will be in the description. I'll just show you one. They both do look like this, and it's just a skull that smells like bubblegum, and mint, which smells absolutely amazing. The next one is this one. This one is totally toffee apples. Growing up, I didn't really like toffee apples. I have had a couple in my life, probably 3 at the most. I always went for the chocolate apple, and I did like the smell of it. I did have a hand sanitizer in the same scent, and the scent itself, toffee apple, is such a beautiful scent, and I just had to get this one. And it's in the shape of a heart, and it looks a bit like a watermelon. That's what I like about it as well. The next one is this one, and this is a set of teeth. This one is Sweetie Pie. This is a sugary lemon, lime and orange with hints of strawberry, raspberry and pear, and a kick of sweet vanilla. As weird as it is, this one's amazing as well. This is what the teeth look like. So yeah, if you have too many sweets, your teeth will look like that. I know I should be laughing because that's something serious, but you know. The second to last one is this one. This one is a snack bar in Haunted Hayride, and the scent of this one is hay, honey and amber. It's a black and yellow wax, and you've got a glittery, shiny pumpkin on there. I don't know how to describe things. If you're a long-term subscriber of mine, you know that. But yes, that looks amazing. And the last one is this one. This one is butterscotch chai, and this one pretty much smells like those caramel candies, which again I love. And this one smells absolutely amazing. I'm sure I'll give my mum one of these because, you know, she likes chai stuff, like vanilla chai. She's a big fan of vanilla chai, so she might like this, not too sure. And that's it for today's video. If you could suggest a video idea down below, that would be very helpful. I will try my best to make interesting videos that isn't a haul video. Yeah, so I'll try and make them really interesting. Not that anyone watches my videos anyway, but you know, I do it for my own enjoyment. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!